Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking at the Skytech Legacy 4, you're not chasing attention or RGB hype for the sake of it. You're building a home setup that feels powerful, refined, and future-proof in a way that doesn't need to justify itself. You don't shop for performance, you shop for experience. Before we get into how this system feels in real use, tap the first link below and check current availability. Premium builds like this tend to shift quickly, especially when pricing aligns. I chose the Legacy 4 because I was tired of machines that were technically fast, yet felt chaotic, heat spikes, noise, stutter, underload. I wanted a system that dissolves friction. Where you can just sit down, turn it on, and it feels like the machine understands your pace. And that's exactly what this does. The Ryzen 9 9950X3D paired with the RTX 5090 isn't just raw power, it's authority. You don't see it straining, you don't hear it pleading for airflow. Games don't run, they glide. 4K? Effortless. High refresh competitive titles? Smooth, stable, confident. Even heavy creative workloads, editing, rendering, AI tasks, feel like they're happening in a calm, controlled environment. That's the real luxury here, silence and strength. Cooling behaves like it was engineered, not forced. No sudden fan panic, no heat turbulence breaking your focus, just quietly efficient thermals that let the performance breathe. And when the visuals hit your screen, there's this sense of this is how it was meant to look. Textures stay sharp, motion feels natural, colors carry weight instead of noise. You're not just playing or working, you're immersed, present, undistracted. Quick reminder, if you haven't yet, check that link below. These builds don't linger once pricing hits that sweet spot. Even the physical presence matters. There's a certain confidence in a tower like this, solid, purpose-built, balanced. It doesn't scream gamer, it just sits there, powerful and composed, like a performance instrument waiting for you. This doesn't chase attention, it commands it quietly. Pros: effortless ultra-high performance with quiet thermals. Daily experience feels smooth, calm, and reliable. Handles gaming, creation, and AI work without hesitation. A build that elevates your setup with understated presence. Future-proof, not for specs, for experience. Cons: premium investment designed for those who value refinement. Overkill for casual users, made for people who actually push limits. If you're the kind of person who values a system that disappears into your flow and never makes you second-guess your choice, this is that upgrade. Buy once, enjoy every day, that's the point. Tap the first link below, check stock and pricing, and if it's right today, secure it. Machines like this aren't about chasing deals, they're about choosing peace of mind and living at a higher standard.